Hi friends, so today I have a jack-o'-lantern engraved wood earring, and I'm going to be using Thule art pens. They're acrylic paint pens, and here is my step-by-step tutorial. So I start off with number 26, Smoky Haze, coloring in the background. So pretty. But I really wanted to have a distressed look, liking that natural wood grain to come through. So I used my sanding sponge. This is really a preference here. Sand it to your liking. Do more, do less. I felt that that was good, but I also wanted to add a little bit of color. So I just take a few strokes using the Canyon Moon, and this is coming from the Southwestern Thule pen palette. And then I do some cross-hatch strokes, so this way when I sand it down again, it kind of gives it that cool grain illusion. Then I just wipe it down with my cloth. Pretty. All right, number 15, Fire Glow. And then I just use it for the pumpkin. Oh, crap, I got something on it. Colored outside the lines, but it's fixable. I always try to save it with my fingernail. You'll see that throughout my tutorials. I don't know why I bother, because you can always sand it down or just paint over it. Pretty versatile. It's also easy to fix. So we're bringing this jack-o'-lantern to life. And there he is. There's Jack. So now I'm going to take the number 9. It's the yucca olive green for the stem. Number 21. I feel like this is the beige, and I just quick strokes on that frame. All right. And then we're going to use a smoky haze, using the same color we used in the background. And just painting that edge. How cute. And then this is the gold number 23. Just making gold dots, giving it that, I guess it's like a jeweled look. And there you have it. Thank you so much for watching my tutorial. The jack-o'-lantern engraved wood earrings. Be sure to follow, like, subscribe. Thank you.